She don't know I got the drop on her like, oh, they don't know I got the drop on them like.
Welcome back, YouTube. It's Magda Civil. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This channel focuses on health and fitness. So if you are on a new fitness journey, or if you're already on a fitness journey and you need some guidance, some motivation, this is the perfect channel for you. I'm currently 24 weeks pregnant. I finally made the 6-month mark, and I am performing 3 sets of 15 repetitions of dumbbell squats. My foot placement, it's a little on a 45-degree angle, simply because I can't have it forward. I can't do forward squats anymore. My belly is in the way, and this is a comfortable way for me to perform the squat. Still keeping proper form, making sure that my hip is shift backwards and that my chest is upright. Moving on to the barbell, I'm going to perform barbell squats. This is a great way to build your glutes. Most people always are concerned with lifting and building the glutes. The key to doing this is shifting your hips back, pretending as if you're sitting on a chair, making sure that your knees does not go over your toes. This one lady came up to me in the gym and she said I motivated her to see a pregnant woman go in at the gym, and that actually made me feel good to know that that's what people are looking for some type of external motivation. And I try not to make any excuses. Some days my energy level does fluctuate when it comes to training, but that's one of the reasons why I don't lift heavy anymore. I tend to just go for a moderate rate and go for higher repetitions, making sure that my breathing is correct at all times. Adding 5-pound plates to the bar. I would normally go up to 10. Just incorporating some variations in my routine, performing a step up with a hammer curl. These exercises that I'm performing is just to keep me active. This is great for not only me, but also for the baby, making sure that my blood pressure is at a normal state, as well as sugar levels, insulin levels are at a normal state. When you are pregnant, you're prone to preeclampsia, diabetes, if you're not monitoring what you're eating. So throughout this pregnancy, I want to make sure that my baby is getting the vital nutrients by balancing out what I am consuming with healthier alternatives, and feeding myself with as much nutrition as I possibly can to make sure that the baby is growing strong, keeping active, just as long as I'm not putting a lot of strain on myself or I'm not lifting extremely heavy. Everything is in good faith. This is actually going to make labor, this is actually going to make giving birth a lot easier. My doctor, as I've spoken to her, she's like, Magda, you're good. Everything that you used to do prior to pregnancy, you can do it now. You have no restrictions. But I like to take some precaution. I don't want to squat 315 pounds. I just know that to listen to my body. Performing 20-second planks. In the past, I would normally do 1-minute planks, but now because most of my weight is in the front, it's hard for me to stay up that long. It would be nice to build back up to a minute, but it's not that serious. Right now, I just really want to just stay active, keep my body strong, and keep my core strong. When it's time for us to give birth, I'm ready to go. Well, you guys, I thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also, if you need help with your fitness regimen, click the description links below. My website is available for you so that you can get your own customized meal plan and your own customized fitness plans. Take care. See you soon.
Feel